To report a Trust Wallet fingerprint login issue, follow these steps. First, open the Trust Wallet application on your device and navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually represented by 3 lines or a gear icon, depending on your device. Next, scroll down to the Support section and select the Contact Support option. This will direct you to a page where you can submit a request for assistance. Choose the type of issue you are experiencing, in this case, fingerprint login, and provide a detailed description of the problem you are facing. When describing the issue, be sure to include any error messages you have received and the steps you have taken so far to try and resolve the problem. This information will be helpful to the support team in diagnosing and resolving the issue. After submitting your request, you can expect to receive a response from the Trust Wallet support team within a few hours. They will work with you to troubleshoot the issue and provide a solution. If the issue is related to a bug or a technical problem, they may request additional information or ask you to update the application. To prevent fingerprint login issues in the future, make sure your device and the Trust Wallet application are up to date. Regularly updating your device and applications is a best practice for maintaining security and preventing technical issues. Additionally, ensure that your fingerprint data is properly registered and synced with your device. If you are using a new device or have recently changed your fingerprints, you may need to re-register your fingerprint data in the Trust Wallet application. By following these steps and providing detailed information about the issue you are experiencing, you should be able to successfully report a Trust Wallet fingerprint login issue and receive assistance from the support team. Remember to stay patient and cooperative throughout the process, as resolving technical issues can sometimes take time.